Hey guys, I hope you all are doing good. So today's topic is all about that how a teenager can earn money from the study notes only. Yeah, you heard the right. From the study notes, either book notes or whatever the material they study in the classrooms. And it is a very legit and easy way of earning money. You don't need to do any type of extra work. Just we will give you some steps of how you can do it. But before that, make sure you have subscribed our channel because we bring you the most legit and possible ways of earning money. So first of all, you need to visit a website called studypool.com. It's a free of cost website, no in-app purchases, nothing else, just a free $0 cost website. Because there are so much to see and there is so much to explore, because it has various tools which will help you in your study and to get your more study materials. Here's a menu from where you can create an account. So here's a tab of sell docs. You have to visit it, second step, and the second step you have to visit it. Now explore it, and here it is written that earn money by selling study documents, that is earn up to $5,000 a month. $5,000. Now here is Alan Mitch, who has earned up to $160,000. You will get every $10 whenever a student buys a doc from you. So it's a very great opportunity that you students can earn money from here, because you aren't doing any type of work. Just prepare a PDF file and upload here, and just your work is done. Only thing you have to do that you have to just wait a little, because there are several students and I know that in 1 or 2 days you will earn money. Well, thank you, and it's done for today. If you find some value and gain some knowledge about making money, please do subscribe and like the channel. Thank you.